think there's an exit. Last time, I gave ChatGPT 60 minutes to build a horror game. One file, strict rules, no graphic tools. It actually worked, but the game was a little bit weird. So this time, we're gonna be testing out Gemini. Hey Gemini, today you're a professional game developer and we are making a horror game that needs to be scary. We are just gonna go simple and let Gemini decide what it's gonna make. We only have a few rules this time. There's no time limit, Gemini can take as long as it wants, and this time it's allowed to use Sora for visuals. It just have to provide me with the prompt. Okay, this is different. Gemini isn't giving me one HTML file, building an actual project, setting up a full wide environment, multiple files. ChatGPT only gave me one index file and that was it. So this is a lot more advanced than last time. I hope it actually works. Let's try it out. Wait, we actually forgot something important. Gemini did actually give me the prompts for Sora, so let's just put them in. Okay guys, let's get into it. We are already off with a creepy start. Some demonic shape thing is looking at me. As you can see, the graphics are actually pretty good. I have a flashlight. There's some stuff. I'm not sure what to do yet, but I will take the green thing first. The floor's a little bit glitchy. I don't think they were supposed to be black, but I like that you can walk around. The movement is a little bit slow. What is that? Okay, looks like I got a key. And looks like my battery is running out. Guys, Gemini have a really dark mind. What is this? Okay, what is that? Okay, some stairs that leads to nowhere. And some hole in the floor. I mean, the design is pretty good. There's that green thing again. What is that? Oh, I got some battery. Okay, we got some glitches, but I don't know. I think this is the monster. I mean, not the best graphic and nothing happens, but he keeps following me. Let's go run for it. Oh. What happened? Everything got black? Oh shit. I'm stuck with this. Alright. Version 1 technically works, but the basement you cannot enter and nothing really reacts to the player. So I sent Gemini a couple of screenshots and I asked it to redesign everything and actually fix the mistake. Better floors, better ceiling, more atmosphere, and maybe turn that slender thing into something actually creepy. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, let's check out what update Gemini has done. First one is added a ceiling and pipes to create a boxed-in feeling. AI intelligence. The stalker now fades in when you look at it and fades out when you look away, making it feel like hallucination or ghost. Sounds interesting. Performance. I use a simple grid-based collision system to keep the frame rate high even on older laptops. I think Gemini is dissing my computer, maybe? The basement stairs. The map grid includes a true value that generates physical stairs leading downwards into the void. You are now ready to build up the distortion. Is there anything else you'd like to tweak before the launch? Let's go guys. Before we start the game guys, please hit a like and subscribe so I can keep making more videos. Okay guys, we are ready to test the game out. We are starting out like before, with that creepy demonic thing. Oh shit! Man. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Let's give it another shot, and this time we are not gonna stay still. Now to be honest with you guys, the graphic looks pretty nice. I mean, we are walking, there's the floor. Oh shit, that's thing again. Oh shit, it's coming after me. Okay. As I understand, this is a key and I need to find an exit. before that thing catches me, but I have no idea where to go. So for now I'm just gonna run out. We got me before. What the fuck is that? Look at it. It looks like some cheap version of Slender Man or something. Now, as you can see, we are stuck in some kind of a maze, and this dude just keeps coming after us. Oh shit, you can walk through walls. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, I can run. How do I get out from here? I don't like this. He keeps showing up, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, we're just gonna run for it. Last time we went this way, so we are going this way. I don't think there's an exit. You got me twice. Okay guys, let's go for last run. We are gonna find the exit this time. I'm just gonna be running the whole way. If there even is an exit. Let's remember the key. Now since the key is this way, I'm gonna guess it is this way. And we went down from here last time, and we went down here, and then he got me. Let's go here. Okay, looks like we are going somewhere. Oh, some batteries. We got full batteries again. Ah, shit. Just keep coming out from nowhere. Maybe it was that way. And maybe this is just a never-ending maze. Oh, come on. He is fast, man. Wherever I turn, he just shows up. Gemini really want me to lose. You see what I mean? He just shows up everywhere. I think it's that way. Because he always shows up that way. Think you can trick him? Oh shit, no. Didn't work. Guys, I must say, Gemini did a pretty good job on creating this game. The vibe is creepy, and that dude just keep following me. Kinda. I'm glad I'm not playing this at night. Oh shit, he's here again. Come on. Okay guys, I don't actually think there's an exit. I think it's like you just run forever and then you just yeah, I don't know. Oh shit, everything went dark. Oh shit. 3-0 Gemini. 3-0. You got me. Alright, so that's the game. And honestly, I still think it's kinda crazy that this even works. I literally just sat here asking Gemini to keep improving the game, and somehow we ended up with this crazy little horror game. I mean, it's definitely not perfect yet, but some things are still kinda broken. The graphics could be better, and the jump scares could be way worse. And it forgot to add the basement. And I never found an exit in the game. I kept trying, but I kept losing. So I think Gemini maybe forgot about the escaping the game, winning the game part. But overall, I would say it did a pretty nice job. It reminded me of some old computer game back when everything was new. So definitely, I will give this one a thumbs up. It did a lot better than ChatGPT, but again, it had more less restrictions, more freedom to do whatever it wanted. So if you want me to keep improving this game, or maybe let another AI try to redesign it, just let me know in the comments.